Hi, this is Ondřej from Sketch Engine, and in this screencast you will learn how to find sentences beginning with a noun, how to find tokens at the end of sentences, or how to search paragraphs, documents, and other structures into which a corpus can be divided. This is how sentences, paragraphs, and documents are typically marked in a corpus. Together, they are called structures. Structures are not universal. Each corpus can use different names of structures, although a vast majority uses the ones in the first column. The available structures are listed on the corpus information page. Some structures may not exist or may have different names. A corpus can also be divided into additional structures. This is how the beginning of a sentence, paragraph, or document is referred to when searching using CQL. And this is how to find nouns that appear as the first token of a sentence. Use view options to visualize the structures. Use these to refer to the end of the sentence, paragraph, or document. This is how to find words which appear at the end of the sentence. Note that the last word is usually not the last token. The last token is usually a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Attributes or metadata assigned to the structures can also be used. This will find the first word of all documents published in 1993 in the British National Corpus. To check the year, click the line details or set the line details to display the year permanently. Use the corpus information page to check the available attributes and values. Use these to refer to the whole sentence, paragraph, or document. Notice how the use of the slash changes the meaning. The whole structure is typically used when looking for a sentence, paragraph, or document containing a word or phrase. Please refer to the video about using containing and within. The links are in the description. To try Sketch Engine, register for a free trial on sketchengine.eu. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Use the comments for any questions you might have.